So what I'm about to show you right now is something I wish I knew earlier way back when I introduced myself in the financial markets. But unfortunately, when I started, I didn't have anyone to ask. So I had to learn everything from my own mistakes. And due to that, I ended up trying to look for a non-existing magic strategy, and that delayed my journey as a self-taught forex trader. Okay. And right now, given a scenario where I would give an advice to whoever want to start trading, the short version would be like, bro, what makes you make money in trading is a simple strategy. Okay, talking from the experience which I acquired along the journey as a self-taught forex trader, and also from my personal perspective, I don't find it necessary for someone to be loaded with complicated information which is difficult to apply. While this all you need is just a step-by-step guide on how to do a proper analysis, when to end and when to exit at the correct time, and not forgetting when to stay away from the charts if the market isn't moving well. Okay, and you leave the rest to your psychology. Remember, trading is a mental game, so at some point you have to react mentally rather than putting too much focus on the accurate and win rate of the strategy. Okay, so you gotta be able to go through this process of analyzing almost every day without having headaches or without getting bored, and trust me, you will enjoy trading peacefully. So right now, let's go to the charts and see what I've been cooking for you for the past 3 weeks. Alright guys, so right now I've got crash 300 on my chart, and as you are seeing, there's no direction. We cannot see either it's now time to buy or and now time to sell, because the charts are moving random. There's no any analysis. Okay, so my goal is to make sure that by the end of this video everyone will be able to do the analysis by their own. Okay, because we cannot decide either to buy or to sell. We don't even know where the trend is going. We don't even know if it is an uptrend or if it is a downtrend or if it is moving sideways. Okay, so I just want to show you my quick analysis on how exactly to I take sniper entries, how exactly my confirmation, what the secrets behind my confirmation. Okay, so this is my chart without any analysis or any indicator, and right here is when after doing the analysis. Okay, after doing the analysis, you can see that right now it's now making sense. Okay, so the reason why I draw me this upper trend line is for me to see the actual direction on this trend. Okay, so right here was my first peak, and then second peak, third and fourth, and then fifth right here. Okay, so as we are seeing, when I was drawing this upper trend line, I was connecting the higher highs, then the higher lows. Okay, so if the trend is going up or if the trend is bullish, okay, on the upper side you draw connecting the higher like this. Okay, and then on the lower side you connect the higher low. And if the trend is going downwards, like right here, we can see that it was going up, and then as soon as it reached this level, the market made a breakout, and this means that the trend might be changing direction from uptrend to downtrend. Okay, so I had to draw another minor trend line, which is this one going down. Okay, and after this breakout, I drew this upper trend line. And when you are drawing on a bearish, you connecting the higher low on the upper side, and then the lower lows on the lower side, and this shows that the trend is going down. Okay, the trend is going down, and as of now I'm anticipating crash 300 to buy all the way up till this level. Let me zoom. I'm anticipating it to buy till this level on this resistance, because as you are seeing right here, there's a resistance of which this first touch, second touch, and then I'm anticipating another higher low to bounce on the same level of the resistance, and then after bouncing, that's a good sell. But I don't want to take a sell because this setup have got low probability. Okay, so I'm targeting a buy right here on this support zone, which is right here. Okay, the reason why I decided, or the reason why I chose this one, is because this is 4-hour time frame, and on 4-hour time frame, this level have been respected, starting all the way right here. You see the market was bouncing right here, and then it was bouncing same right here, it was bounced. Okay, so right here there's a probability that it might came back again and then bounce on this level of support, and then on the same line, or at the same time, I've got this lower trend line which connect the lower lows, and I'm anticipating another third touch right here. Okay, and what you should know is when you are buying on a bearish trend, you will be going for short-term trades. Okay, so right here is a scalping trade, and then when you are selling on a downtrend, we will be going for long-term trades. Though this is a minor trend, our major trend is the one which is bigger right here. Okay, so this is my quick analysis on how exactly I take trades. Okay, this is my quick analysis on how exactly I take trades. Okay, hope I've simplified everything that you need to know as a beginner. Okay, so instead of putting too much confirmation, the likes of having too many indicators, of course I'm not against people who try to use an indicator, but what I advise you is when you think of using indicator, you must know the basics of how to do analysis using price action, and then after that you add indicators as confirmation. Okay, you add indicators as confirmation. So if it happened that the market came right here, it's a good opportunity for you to sell, though the setup is the setup we've got low quality. Okay, though the setup we've got low quality, and right here if it happened that the market came for 30 touch of the trend line bounce, which means your entry will be right here exactly on this resistance. As I always tell you, on the resistance, that's where you look for selling opportunity, and this is the level of resistance right here. You can even check if you trace the price starting from this past history. The market came right here, and then it bounced right here. It bounced for me support, and then right here it formed the resistance. So right here it must form another resistance with the confirmation of the 30 touch, and then after that you write the market all the way down. Okay, you write the market all the way down, and it must sell to this level of the support right here. Okay, and then after reaching this level, it might also keep on going down, but this is the first tipping to this level, and then after it reaches this level, the fact that it's a zone of support, and as I always say, on support level, that's where you're supposed to buy. So right here, as soon as it touches right here, you buy, and then you take profit. First TP will be this support. Okay, and if you trace this zone again right here, there's another support, another resistance, another support. So if you enter right here, you're going to use this zone for take profit, and also for TP2 you're going to use this trend line bounce for the 40 touch. Okay, so this is my simple analysis for how exactly I take my trades, and I'm sure every beginner must go through this process of analyzing using naked chart, because I don't want to lie, for you to be able to use those simple strategies that you see on YouTube of indicators, the likes of Banana Bollinger Bands, RSI, Ichimoku. Those are confirmation after we have first studied how exactly the price moves on the using the price action, because the goal first is to know the market structure instead of relying only on the trend line bonds or on the support and resistance. You can also apply the candlestick formation, and you can also apply the pattern formation, the likes of those reversal pattern, the head and shoulder, the double bottom, or the continuation pattern, the likes of the flex. Okay, all those pattern works, and all those patterns are very useful. Okay, so see you on my next video. Let's hope you learn something on this video, and if you're new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell icon. I've got also a Telegram channel. Check out the link in the description. Okay, see you on my next video.